Good morning, welcome back to the DanGoesOutdoors YouTube channel. And today I really wanted to be carp fishing, but there's some sort of a really no bites at all, and I'm starting to think that with this extra water in, maybe it's not turning a fish on, maybe if anything it's putting them off. So I'm going to wind in here, I'm going to have a walk downstream and just see if I can find another spot, because at least each time I go to a new swim it's sort of like, you know, it's a new chance, it's a new hope really. Into a fish, lads. Amazing. I thought for sure where I was cast it was too shallow and too slow, but fish thought otherwise. Thinking chub, not barbel. That's a nice chub. Come on. Okay, bit of a tight swim as they always are on rivers, but I've got my mat down, I've got my net and everything. And yeah, really nice chub. Was not expecting this. There we are. Lovely old chub. Definitely an old fish, this one. It's dodged a few predators in its time, got a nick out of its tail, a few bumps and scrapes, but yeah, beautiful. Oh. I'm going to put in at £4, something like that. I think if it's filled out, you're looking at more like a £5 here, but it's not, so as it is, yeah, we'll give him 4. Really nice chub, very happy with that. I was actually starting to think that, yeah, I wasn't going to catch today, but this guy proved me wrong. Yeah. Cheers, mate, thank you. There we go, brilliant release. I don't know if I mentioned it, but this is actually my 3rd trip to this river in recent weeks to try and catch a barbel or a chub, so I'm so happy with that. Basically, the otters have destroyed the barbel, chub, bream population on this stretch of river. There's lots of silverfish that are coming back, so fingers crossed for the future. But yeah, we've seen an otter today, and I don't want to get into too much detail about it, but you know, they are sucking the life out of a lot of rivers. Anyway, lovely chub, nonetheless. This is the rig I caught it on. Lead clip with a deliberately over heavy lead. That's 4 ounces. I could probably get away with 3, but the river's up and I quite like the way a heavy lead really forces that hook home. About 18 inches, 2 foot, a 12-pound hook link. PVA bag of pellets threaded down that provides some more attraction around the rig, a little bit of feed, and also helps it to not tangle. And on the hair we've got 3 8mm robin red pellets, and that little bit of yellow there is just a bit of trimmed down pop-up, so I've got something to pull my hair stop into. The hook that's inside it is a size 6 wide gape, and if you've been watching my videos you might know my philosophy by now is that if you're going to hook them, land them. So I use strong hooks, strong tackle, and generally speaking quite big baits, so if I do catch a fish it's probably a bigger one. Fingers crossed anyway. And then before I cast out, I wrap the pellets in some pellet paste that I made myself, and that has been working for me, well, all over the county. Fantastic. Right, I'm going to chuck this out to the exact same spot, maybe actually a little bit further because I want it more in the current. I think that where I got that bite was a little bit slow, so where it's a bit quicker I've got a chance of perhaps a barbel. We're in again, boys. Come on. Went off really strong, is now just coming in on a lead. Oh no. Going in some snags. Another nice chub. Yes, that's 2. Come on. That's the hook out. This time, 2 14mm halibut pellets, proper hook bait. Look at that. Slightly smaller, and I think younger fish this one. Much better looker, really bronzed, very dark back, and I'll give this one a solid £3. That is a really nice chub. I'm so happy with that. Quite typically I was scrolling through my phone and just heard my bait runner going, and yeah, there it is. Great little chub, so happy with that. 2 fish today from, as I said, a river that is suffering a bit of a decline at the moment, but yeah, one day it'll come back. Lovely, right, let's put it back. Right, just looping on a new hook link, and I'm sort of thinking that if I hang around a bit I might get more fish, because we're getting towards the better hour of the day now. That last sort of hour or two of light before it gets dark, that is perfect time for rivers, and where there's 2 chub there could be 1 barbel. that is what I'm hoping. I would love a barbel from here, but I'm so happy with those 2 chub. That looks good, let's get it out there. We're in again, lads, come on. I'll make it a hat trick if we land it. Nice! I think I might have caught the bite on camera, not sure. There we go. Very lively, very silvery fish, this one. Really happy with it. It's in great condition, this fish, so good one for the future, this. No predator marks on it at all. Yeah, really nice chub. I think I might get some pictures of this one for myself. And then I'm just going to fish with 1 more rod. Well, just with that final rod in the water. Not going to recast because I don't want to disturb the swim. Only got maybe 30 minutes now. But yeah, beautiful fish. And that's time. Always time for one last snag. That's me, all packed away. Gotta get her home now because Aaron's coming around, don't want to keep him waiting. Mango from DanGoesOutdoors. And yeah, what a great session. I fished 4 different spots and I caught 3 chub in my last one, and it's brilliant to do that because it's been a long time since I've caught big fish from this river. And yeah, 3 in a day, that is wonderful. So happy with that. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give the video a thumbs up, and good luck with your fishing or whatever you're doing out there. Yeah, thank you guys. See you on the next one.